A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in previous lecture, we learned IT Act. Now, today in this video, we start a new topic: social networking site, common social networking sites. What do we mean by the social networking? Social networking is one of the web-based service that mainly focused on building of social relationship among people who may share common interests, religions, or activities, their thoughts, ideas. Social networking is like an online community service. You can say social networking site is like a online community service where the people of common interest can share their views, share their ideas, messages, event, and so on. Social networking site is a web application. Don't forget that. Social networking site is a web application, or you can say online platform. Online platform and web application where people can share their ideas, where people can set up their public profile and make connection with other online people who have also set up their profile on the same platform, and these type of connectivity is called online friend. Online friend. So many popular social networking services, and few are used worldwide while other are popular in specific areas. Here we discuss some social networking site. First we discussed here your Facebook. Facebook is a platform. Facebook is very important and famous website, and Facebook is a platform to set up your page where you can share your ideas, your ideas in the form of posts, share your photos, videos, audios. Through Facebook, you can connect with other Facebook users and exchange messages, exchange posts, or it allow you to view post images, videos shared by your friends, shared by public, shared by your colleague, and provide options to like or comment on it. If you want to create a social if you want to use a Facebook, you first need to register yourself. If you want to do the social networking, then you first need to create your profile on that particular website. So if you want to use the Facebook, then first you can create your profile page, and once you registered, you can add other users as your friend or can exchange messages with them, and also join some common groups of the people of your interest, and can categorize your friend list as relatives, close friend, people from work. Okay, so your Facebook is launched in Feb 2004. In 2004, your Facebook was launched. By whom? By Mark Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. First, your Facebook was launched for the Harvard University student. So first Facebook by used Harvard University student, but in 2006 In 2006, Facebook was opened for a common man or for everyone, for the public. So first your Facebook was published on Feb 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg for the Harvard University student. But after that, in 2016, it was opened for the public. Okay. Next, your social networking site is Twitter. The second most important social networking site is your Twitter. Twitter is very popular. Again, very popular social networking site. Allow its user to send or read messages of up to 280 characters. 280 characters. When you write anything on Twitter, that term is called tweet. That term is your TWEETS tweets. And first, your maximum length is 140 character. But nowadays it is changed and now it convert in 280 characters. So maximum 280 characters you can write as a tweet on your Twitter account. Twitter is a public account, so when you write anything on your Twitter, be careful because this is a public post. Because this is a public post. And your Twitter is found in March 2006. Founded in March 2006 by whom? By Jack Dorsey, Dorsey. So by Jack, Jack Dorsey, it was developed and it was launched when it was launched. It was launched in July, July 2006. So it was launched in 2006. Developed and founded in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey and launched on July 2006. Clear? Twitter is your microblogging. What do you mean by the blog? Blog is a online journal. Blog is a online diary you can say or journal you can say here. So microblogging site which allows to post very small messages. Don't forget that point. Underline everyone. Earlier limit was 140 character but now extended to 280 characters. The next social networking site is your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional site. LinkedIn is a professional social networking site. Here only professional can create their profile and in profile they make profiles look short of detailed resumes with sections for work education experience, your education, volunteer work, certifications, awards, and all the sort of other relevant work related information. Related information. LinkedIn mainly used by the professional, don't forget that point, underline this point, used by the professional for developing their professional network, and it was founded in December 2002. LinkedIn was founded in 2002, December 2002. By whom? Who developed the LinkedIn? Reid, R-E-I-D, Reid Hoffman, Hoffman. By whom? Reid Hoffman. Not only Reid Hoffman developed LinkedIn along with along with their friend, and the name is not a particular name, just you can write here other names along with other members. So Hoffman is not only one person that found LinkedIn, but also Reid Hoffman along with the other member can create or develop this LinkedIn. So LinkedIn founded in December 2002 and launched in May 2003. Founded in 2002 and launched in 2003. The main purpose of this site only create the professional profile and share their experience, their work and so more. The next most important social networking site is your Instagram. Nowadays, Instagram is very popular social networking site. Instagram is one of the most popular social networking site for online photo sharing. It offers features like sharing real time photos and short videos also while on go. And your Instagram first developed for the iOS operating system, launched in 2010 for iOS iPhone. For it was first launched for the iOS mobile. So you can say iOS operating system here. By whom? Who found your Instagram? Kevin. Kevin, you can write here Kevin Systrom. So Kevin Systrom and Mike and Mike, M-I-K-E, Mike, K-R-I-E-G-E-R, Mike Carragher. Who founded Instagram? Kevin Systrom and Mike Carragher. And after that, in 2010, it was launched. First in 2010, it was launched for the iOS operating system, and after that, a version for the Android was released in April 2012. For Android, it was developed in April 2012 and also used for the Windows 10 mobile. But in April 2016, it was launched for the Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system. So again revise this point. First, your Instagram was launched for the iOS operating system in 2010 by Kevin Systrom and Mike Carragher. After that, in April 2012, it was launched for the Android mobiles or Android operating system. But in April 2016, it was developed for the and launched for the Windows 10 operating system. Clear? The another most important social networking site is your YouTube. YouTube is also your social networking site, and YouTube is mainly used for the video sharing website where user can watch, like, share, comments on the video and also upload their own video, and the you which can upload the video with a relevant title so that become easy to search it. So the another social networking site is your YouTube. Some more popular social networking sites are your Google Plus, Pinterest, Snapchat, Reddit. Nowadays, these are very common and the very famous social networking site. Your Pinterest is very popular site where you can found your in according to your interest anything like your dress or your a book or decoration, anything you want. If you want to, then you can use the Pinterest. So the so many social networking sites are there. Your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and nowadays more popular is your Google Plus, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Reddit. So again we revise this topic. First, your Facebook is developed in Feb 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, but it was launched in 2006. After that, your Twitter, when you write anything on Twitter, that term is called your post, and this is your tweet. So before some days it was a maximum length is 140 character, but nowadays it is extended as a 280 characters, and it was founded in March 2016 by Jack Dorsey, but it was launched in July 2006. In 2006. After that, your LinkedIn, and LinkedIn was launched in developed in December 2012 by Red Hoffman and some other peoples also. So Red Hoffman generate this with other persons, and it was launched in May 2003. May 2003. And your Facebook was first used by the Harvard University student, but in 2006 it was common for the it was open for the common person also. So public use the Facebook from the 2006. After that, your Instagram is here, and LinkedIn mainly used for the professionals. And after that, your Instagram on Instagram you can share your photos and your short videos. And first it was launched for the iOS operating system in 2010 by Kevin Systrom and Mike Carragher. But after that, in the April 2012, it was launched for the Android operating system for Android mobiles and your Windows 10 mobiles, and after that in April 2016 it was launched for the Windows 10 operating system. So these all about your social networking site, all about your social networking site. So in next video we discussed the appropriate uses of social networking sites and other things. So today's video is completed here. Thank you so much for watching this video. We meet in the next video. Thank you.